Every journey begins where nature finishes its work. Only fruit at its perfect moment is chosen. Precision protects quality from the very first cut. Harvest becomes rhythm. Rhythm becomes volume.
From soil to system, the flow begins. Speed matters. Freshness demands it. Every harvest is measured before it moves on. The road to processing is short by design. What was grown by earth now enters human hands. Distance is minimized to protect freshness. Human control still guides every shipment.
Arrival is timed down to the minute.
Control begins before the doors open.
Industrial systems awaken as raw product arrives.
Every movement is choreographed.
Precision prevents damage before processing begins. Stability is non-negotiable.
The factory is ready to receive.
The threshold between outside and inside is carefully controlled. Flow begins the moment unloading starts. Built for volume, designed for efficiency. This is where agriculture meets engineering.
Movement is constant. Pauses are eliminated.
Clean hands protect every product.
Scale defines modern food processing. Every line feeds a greater system. Preparation is about to begin. Cleaning starts with controlled force. Field residue is removed without damaging the rind. Nothing is wasted, everything is managed. Moisture is controlled before inspection.
Human judgment still matters.
Only the best continue. Uniformity begins with size.
Technology verifies what eyes can miss.
Now the real transformation begins. Here, preparation gives way to precision. Orientation ensures consistency.
Stability protects both product and process. One decisive cut changes everything.
Freshness is visible instantly.
Data now guides the blade.
Uniform pieces ensure uniform results.
Every layer has its moment.
The transformation accelerates.
Structure is removed, essence remains.
Nothing leaves without purpose. Order is engineered.
Consistency is measured in millimeters.
Uniformity defines quality.
Moisture is managed, flavor preserved.
Temperature locks in freshness.
Final human confirmation.
Automation now takes the lead.
Automation enhances what humans began.
Balance is calculated in real time.
Every piece is seen.
Decisions happen instantly. Precision is enforced continuously. The system watches itself. Cleanliness never stops. Speed increases without chaos. The final refinements begin. Refinement replaces force. Details define premium quality. Balance is preserved. Nothing escapes final inspection. Freshness is sealed.
Accuracy is absolute.
Flow pauses without stopping.
Verification awaits.
Trust is earned through testing. Every batch earns its approval. Color reveals quality instantly.
Moisture is measured with exacting standards.
Taste potential is quantified.
Uniformity ensures every bite is predictable.
Traceability guarantees accountability.
Even randomness follows protocol. Only certified product advances.
Certification leads to preparation for delivery.
Preparation meets presentation.
Every piece finds its place. Protection ensures freshness and traceability.
Organization optimizes storage and transport.
Sealed and secured, ready for the world.
Storage preserves integrity until needed.
Every journey is carefully timed and controlled.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon cubes from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.